It's not gone any better than last time. Hello guys, welcome back to TSpec TV and welcome back to the exact spot where we finished the last video, or not the last video, but the last video where we went out to that hole that Nissa decided to take us to and get us both stuck. And what we're going to do today is go back to said hole and hopefully not get stuck. At least we're going to go explore it a little more and some of the tracks around here as well. And we also have Ebba with us today, who is going to be our drone pilot, so hopefully we can get some more and some better drone shots for you guys to make this video even better. Let's see what happens. I feel like every time we do these videos we learn something new, but that's kind of part of the fun in a way. So now we're going to go back to that place and hopefully not drive into a ditch again. I'm gonna close my window like last time. That was a smart move. It does get boggy. Okay, so put a bit of power on here so we don't bog down. And we bog down. That's a lot of mud. It's not gone any better than last time. I've just created a mud spraying machine. Oh god. Yeah, I just created a big cleanup job for myself, haven't I? Oh dear. Oh, good god, that's wet. Yeah, I'm not moving. I'm so glad I kept the window closed.
There should be one track going through, because this wet area from here and all the way up. There should be like one track you can go over.
Okay.
But we don't know where it is. It's somewhere in here.
But is there an actual track, or are we just making tracks? Or is there someone had been here before?
There should be an old one, my dad said. Well, okay. Very, very old, but probably not here anymore. But it took a saw so we could take down the small branches.
Oh, okay, cool.
We're going to make one.
Oh god, it's going to be Earth Day Part 2.
It is.
Whoa.
Yeah,
oh, that's deep.
You can hear the water. Going right through here. Oh yeah, you can. Spring.
So we're basically standing on a marsh.
Yeah. It's like all the water from the fields around here, they come into this.
Yeah, it's all draining down here. Because this is the low point.
It is a draining point. That's why we are at the low point.
we have reached a low point. These wheels are on high ground, and then the middle part is just in a hole basically, so this looks minuscule compared to... Go on then, get in. Oh my god, this is so boggy. Should be wearing welly boots. If it just gets me up to the top bit here, I should have traction. I think I'm beached now on this hill. Oi, there we go. Can I move? Yeah, I can move. Oh, this is cool. So we're going to make a little track in here, I guess. Oh, hang on, I've got a ditch on the right. Mustn't hit that. Jump out. I think we've got to clear some stuff. Does it go anywhere?
Nope.
No?
Not yet.
So we're going through here or not?
This thing out. Anyway, you can get up there, up down there. This bit is not boggy, but that bit.
Oh no, it's not. It's solid. You can just walk through that.
Yeah.
Okay, I thought it was going to be sinky. So you could just drive through that, no problem.
Yeah.
You won't sink into it.
We've got loads of different definitions.
Different definitions.
It's sinky or sucky or...
Sinky and sucky and sticky and...
Yeah. I would categorize this as sucky.
TSpec TV, masters of deforestation. Well, that went well. I said I hope Greenpeace doesn't watch this.
No, please don't.
feel like I've just found two cavemen just hitting things and sawing things. Oh, hang on. Gotta remember to close my window. Bye bye. This is a very, very, very tight space. So we've been joined by August over here in his Polaris Ace. This is a 325cc little kind of ATV with a steering wheel, sort of, and it's had doors added to it as well, which is quite cool, and it's even got a winch up on the front as well, and of course the mandatory TSpec TV stickers as well. So we have been joined by August in his Polaris Ace, as you just saw, and that went pretty smoothly, but his vehicle is slightly more nimble than ours. So now it's Nis's turn in his gigantic V8 to come down the same hill, and let's see how this goes. I'm going to stand a bit further away this time. So now it is my turn. I'm way too close to that. Whee, made it. Off-roading is by far the slowest method of transportation or travel. And look at how far we've moved. We've pretty much explored what there is to explore in that area, so we're going to head out to a different area next to another field and see what we can find out there. So we haven't been able to find much else around here other than the track we've already done, so I think we're just going to get some drone shots while we're in this field, and it's such a beautiful day as well, and then we will finish up this video. Right, so I think we can finally say we conquered that area after the failure that was last time, and don't know how this video is going to turn out, but we got some pretty good footage, I hope, thanks to Weber. It all went well-ish. We travelled a distance of about 3 feet, so we've discovered that off-roading is the slowest mode of transportation possible, but I'm sure we'll be back to find more places soon.
We'll find another place with a bit more mud next time, I think.
A bit more mud, I think.
More mud.
It was pretty boggy.
My car's completely clean.
Yeah, well, I need bigger tyres. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed, don't forget to leave a like and hit subscribe to see more content like this from TSpec TV on YouTube, and we will see you in the next video.